Hello, children of class 10. Um, I got the information from you all that till now you have completed up till page number 97, I think, and biology, and this is page number 98. In this page, first topic 6.2.2 is heterotrophic nutrition. Now, what is heterotrophic nutrition? What is nutrition? I believe you all have understood that. Now, heterotropic nutrition means the nutrition which we are inhaling on the basis of the food which we are intaking. Nutrition depends on what type of food you are intaking. Okay, so that specific type of food is given to you through different types of food products. As it has already been mentioned that, for example, deer is inhaling something else. Human beings are intaking something else. Food habits are different. Food habits are different. So, nutrition, which is being taken up by the human body, is also different. Now, how come these two nutritions are different? It is different because we can understand that by the work or the type of energy which we are getting in doing any work. So, for suppose energy which is being produced by flesh can never be produced by vegetables, that will differ. Definitely, that will differ. Why? Because normally animal protein is much high energy giving component than that of the protein which we are getting from plants. Again, in some cases, some fruits, some vegetables are there which give us more protein than what animal protein is giving. For suppose, here you can see it's already been mentioned that the way you are accessing the food inside your body, that will tell you how the energy or the nutrition is getting inside your body. For suppose, the style of intaking food also matters. As we can see, the habit of cow, it has the habit of chewing the cud. It inhales the cud first of all, then again it has a process of rejuvenating it and chewing it out, and that helps him in his digestion of the food, because when he is intaking the food, it is taking it in rough manner or in raw manner, rather in a total amount. It is not dividing it or making it in small pieces that will help it for digestion or digestion. What we are doing, we cannot grab the food like that. We have to take it, chew it, then let it mix up with the salivary glands, then it gets inside the stomach, and there it mixes up with the different enzymes and get itself digested. Now from the process of digestion, it is getting the energy. Through the process of digestion, it is getting the energy, and therefrom it has been transmitted to whole of the body, so that we get the power or energy or the capacity to work, to carry out our regular activities. Okay. Now next is, how do organisms obtain their nutrition? Now since the food and the way is obtained differ, the digestive system is different in various organisms. In single celled organism, the food may be taken in by the entire surface, but as the complexity of the organism increases, different parts become specialized to perform different functions. That means what? What it is telling, in a single celled organism, okay, single celled organism mein what is happening? The food is taken by different parts of the body. Like we can see in here the example amoeba. Amoeba is the best example of single celled organism. You know pretty well how it does its reproduction by getting the cell divided into two parts. And then in place of one, it becomes two amoeba. Division of cell. Okay. So here in amoeba takes in food using the food part temporarily. Yeah. So the amoeba is taking the food by the finger-like extensions. Can you see, if you see the picture of amoeba, here, one picture has already been given. Finger-like, মানে এরকম two sides come out from the body. And they take the food inside it. Grab it. Keep it inside. You can see the picture, it has already been given. Then the food becomes mixed up. Slowly, it grabs the food like that. And it becomes mixed up with the body. And amoeba intakes the food like that. So this is the process of single-celled organism. Now, all organisms are not taking the food in same way. অ্যামিবা যেভাবে ফুড নিচ্ছে সেভাবে তো আমরা নিচ্ছি না, আবার আমরা যেভাবে ফুড নিচ্ছি সেভাবে অন্যান্য অর্গানিজমরা হয়তো নিচ্ছে না। লাইক স্নেক কি করছে? ইট ইজ গ্র্যাবিং দ্য ফুড, চিউইং এর কোনো ব্যাপারই নেই। স্নেক ইজ ইনহেলিং, গিলে নিচ্ছে, সোয়ালোয়িং দ্য টোটাল থিং, অ্যান্ড আফটার সোয়ালোয়িং ইট ইজ বিইং ইন রেস্টে থেকে যাচ্ছে, এবং রেস্টে যে থাকছে সেখানেই ওর ফুডটা ডাইজেস্ট হয়ে যাচ্ছে, ওকে আলাদা করে কিছু ডাইজেস্ট করতে হচ্ছে না। ওকে, সো ওয়েন দ্য ডিফারেন্ট অর্গানিজমস are intaking the food in different way, so their type of nutrition which they are following, or the type of food habit which they are having is also different. They are also getting themselves completely different than that of normal organisms. Okay, so the way they are taking the food, the way they are getting themselves nutrified. I hope you have understood this part, and please let me know whether the matter is clear to you all or not. Okay, thank you.